What's up everybody, it's your boy Ali Murtuza, back with another video, and this time we're talking about making some serious cash. We're not talking about those lame make $5 a day methods either. We're going big. 2025 is just around the corner and there are more ways than ever to chase those money dreams. So whether you're trying to save up for a Tesla, a private island, or just want to make it rain on your best friend, this video has something for you. Let's do this. Welcome back to Synthesized Stories. As we look ahead to 2025, the landscape of making money is evolving. Today, we're exploring some creative ideas that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, we're diving into the world of print on demand, or POD for you cool cats out there. Ever dream of being a fashion designer, a mug magnate? Well, with Pod, you don't need a factory full of seamstresses or a warehouse stacked with coffee cups. It's all about the designs, baby. Imagine this. You create a hilarious, meme-worthy design, slap it on a t-shirt, and boom! People are throwing their money at you. Okay, maybe not throwing, but you get the idea. You set up shop online, people buy your awesome designs, and the Pod company handles all the printing and shipping. You're basically the creative mastermind without the inventory headaches. And the best part, this isn't limited to just t-shirts. We're talking phone cases, mugs, posters, even those fancy canvas prints your aunt loves so much. And let me tell you, some people are absolutely crushing it with POD. I'm talking 6, even 7-figure businesses. They're finding their niche, creating killer designs and raking in the dough. And the best part is, you can too. This is perfect for anyone with a creative spark and an entrepreneurial spirit. Low startup costs, massive potential. It's like the American dream on steroids. So fire up those graphic design programs, channel your inner artist, and let's get those POD profits rolling in. Alright, next up is for all my brainiacs out there, the knowledge-sharing ninjas. Are you a coding wizard, a culinary genius? Maybe you're just really good at knitting those tiny sweaters for cats. Whatever your skill, there's an audience out there eager to learn and willing to pay for your expertise. That's right, we're talking online courses and workshops. Forget those stuffy classrooms, we're talking global reach. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier than ever to package your knowledge into bite-sized, easily digestible online courses. And guys, people are making bank doing this. We're talking life-changing money. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you're helping people level up their lives, all while padding your bank account. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy studio or a film crew. A laptop, a webcam, and a passion for teaching are all it takes to get started. Plus, you can teach on your own schedule in your pajamas if you want. I've seen people create courses on everything from dog grooming to cryptocurrency trading. If you've got a skill, no matter how niche, there's an audience out there for it. So dust off that thinking cap, create a killer course, and get ready to educate and elevate. Alright guys, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. This is how a lot of your favorite YouTubers and influencers make bank. And guess what? You can do it too. It's all about connecting people with products or services they'll love and getting a little cut of the action for your troubles. Basically, you find a product you love, recommend it to your audience, and bam! Every time someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Now I know what you're thinking, Mr. Beast, that sounds too good to be true, but I'm telling you, it's the real deal. There are tons of affiliate programs out there for everything from clothing to electronics to travel. The key is to be authentic. Don't just promote any old thing for a quick buck. Find products or services that you genuinely believe in, that align with your brand and your audience. And the best part, you don't need 1 million followers to make this work. Start with your blog, your social media, even just telling your friends and family about awesome products you find. The possibilities are endless with affiliate marketing. So find your niche, start promoting, and watch those commission checks start rolling in. Alright, calling all my creative peeps. This one's for you. Are you always snapping stunning photos? Do you have a knack for capturing breathtaking video footage? Well, guess what? Your art could be making you serious money. I'm talking about the world of stock photos and videos. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo are constantly on the lookout for fresh, high-quality content. And the best part? You get paid every time someone downloads your work. Think about it. Every website, blog post, and advertisement you see online needs visuals. That's where you come in. Capture stunning landscapes, mouth-watering food photography, even those quirky shots of your cat in a box. Trust me, they're surprisingly popular. The key here is quality over quantity. Invest in a good camera, learn the basics of photography and video editing, and focus on capturing unique, eye-catching content. And don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box, experiment with different angles and lighting, and don't be afraid to showcase your unique style. So dust off those lenses, charge your batteries, and get ready to turn your passion for photography into a profitable side hustle. Alright, for the final money-making method, we're diving into the exciting world of flipping. This one's for all my bargain hunters, thrift store enthusiasts, and anyone with an eye for a diamond in the rough. Flipping is all about finding undervalued items, giving them a little TLC, and then selling them for a profit. It's like a real-life treasure hunt that can seriously pad your bank account. Think garage sales, thrift stores, even online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. You can find everything from vintage clothing to antique furniture to electronics that just need a little love. The key to successful flipping is knowing your market. Do your research, identify items that are in demand and learn how to spot a good deal. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. A little cleaning, some minor repairs, maybe a fresh coat of paint can work wonders in increasing an item's value. Flipping isn't just about making money, it's about giving new life to old things, promoting sustainability, and scoring amazing deals in the process. So grab your shopping list, hit those flea markets, and get ready to flip your way to financial freedom. So, there you have it guys, 5 incredible ways to boost your income and chase those financial dreams. Whether you're a creative soul, a knowledge guru, or a bargain hunting master, there's a money-making method out there for you. Remember, the key is to find something you're passionate about, something that lights your fire, because when you love what you do, the money becomes a happy byproduct. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, hustle hard, and make 2025 your richest year yet. And hey, if you make it big, don't forget about your boy Ali. So there you have it. These are just a few creative ideas to make money in 2025. The key is to find something that resonates with your skills and interests. With dedication and creativity, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content from Synthesized Stories.